Hey everyone, today is July 7, 2022. My name is Chris from Thrill Rides, and today on Tony Clark's Twitter account, he said, random update, third webcam installed, working on optimization, much cam, so view, launch soon. So, there are a couple different things to look out for on here. So it says much cam. So that could mean a variety of different things. It could mean that this just indicates that there's going to be a third camera. Then you have so view. So we'll be able to view that area that it's happening at and then launch soon, which could indicate, as many people are speculating, that Cedar Point is going to open back up Top Thrill Dragster. Now, does this mean that Top Thrill Dragster will start running tests and run the original hydraulic launch system? Only time will tell on that. Some people believe that it is actually going to start the process of them replacing the hydraulic launch system with a less problematic LSM launch system. And as many of you know that have ridden the coaster, it launches from 0 to 120 up a 400-foot hill, and then it goes 400 feet back down. It's a quick coaster, but how would it work if they replace it with LSM launches? We do know that LSMs have had a lot of different technological advancements in the last so many years, so there's a probability that maybe they'll replace that whole entire straightaway with LSM launches, and then maybe part of the way up the actual hill, and that will allow the ride to remain for years to come. Now, we do know that last year there was an accident involving a part actually flying off and hitting a woman in the head, causing injuries. So hopefully some updates are done to the actual ride queue area if they do decide to open up Top Thrill Dragster back. Now, they could keep the original hydraulic launch system, but we all know that Tony Clark likes to hint at things, so if you read outside of the lines from the words and you reverse it, it does spell LSM launch, and you can see that somebody did figure it out on Twitter. Noah, or Classic Asian, said LSM launch coming to Dragster, ? Much cam, so view, launch soon. Who knows? We do know this is a fan favorite coaster, and a lot of people were upset when it shut down. I am hopeful that they fix a lot of the issues that deal with the ride queue area, so if something ever happens like that again and something was to fall off, it does not hit a guest in to an area that would cause them to have traumatic injuries. Fortunately enough, that lady did survive. Unfortunately, she has lifelong injuries because of it. So an LSM launch might be less problematic. Obviously, the hydraulic launch system that Intamin made for this coaster years back is a little bit older. I know they've replaced multiple systems on this, but if they were able to replace it with an LSM launch system, I don't think fans would care, as long as it still goes 0 to 120 and you still kind of get the same type of speed going up to the hill. And obviously you'll probably have an updated computer system, things of that nature, but we will see in weeks to come. They're updating the cameras, so hopefully we see some progress on it. Some tests is being done over at Top Thrill Dragster. And with that being said, this concludes the breaking news here on Thrill Rides. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, bell notification button for future videos that will drop down here on this channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great one.